Oh, hello, gorgeous. Am I glad to see you? I'm glad you came back also. Guess what? So the guy that I was dating, that Peter Parker guy, get this. He was engaged the whole entire time to this broad named Felicia Hardy. I mean, what kind of a name is that anyway? So, after hearing the news, I did what any sane woman would do. I bought a new laptop and decided to snoop on her Instagram. And might I say, girlfriend's cute. She's cute. I mean, at first I was thinking, how could she compare to me? I mean, I'm funny, I'm a fashionista, I'm sweet, I'm loving, I'm caring, and I play all of the damn characters in this show. But I see no comparison. She really is a stunning girl. I mean, look at her. Well, anyways, while I'm being a nosy Nancy, you guys go check out and see what the boss is doing, all right? Love you, darlings. Mwah. I'll keep you guys up to date, all right? And see if I ever get to meet this little Felicia Hardy, your little man stealer.
Lusciously wicked. She's oh so wicked.
What's good, my wicked darlings? It's your girl, Lusciously Wicked Cosplay, coming to you on this video. Hi! And welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, guess what? You are an official wicked darling. Welcome. Honey, have a seat, because we got a lot of content to get through on this channel, okay? Firstly, I would like to apologize for being MIA for such a long time due to the fact that my life has been a little crazy. It's just a lot of stuff going on. But also just to let y'all know, I am not one of those YouTubers that is going to be like posting every week or have a legit schedule. I am trying to get there. Like I said, we will cross that bridge when we get to it. But what's most importantly is why you're here, this video. So this is going to be the part 2 of the now 3-part series for Black Cat cosplay for me. And if you guys did not see the part 1 of it, you can go find it in your recommended stuff or find it on my page specifically. Just go watch that first video so that way you can get caught up of what is going on specifically with this cosplay. Now this part 2 is going to be the mask making process. And of course, what supervillain or superhero is not complete without their fabulous mask. So I get to show you guys on this video how to use a Cricut machine. Of course, I know that not everyone has a Cricut machine or has that type of technology that is for them to use for this process. But if you do have a Cricut machine, I can show you a small little game changer of how to make your mask if you don't already know this trick already. So without further ado, let's get into this video, shall we? Bye, y'all.
Well, hello again, darlings. It's your favorite narrator girl. So first things first, we're going to go into our Cricut design space and we're going to set up our machine. Now, this might be a very short process for Miss Luscious because she's already had it set up. But if you would like to pause the video to read the instructions, you may do that at this time. Once your machine is set up, we are now ready to design. You can now go to your Cricut design space and choose your photo. With this process, you are now taking all of the background colors so it can fill in your shape. Once that's done, you're going to save this image as a cut image in the Cricut design space. Once that's done, you're ready to start creating. Well, looky there, darling. You've made it to the easier portion. Now you have to measure the mask to your liking, and then you will go to the make option in the Cricut design space just to make your mask. Now, of course, we have to choose our materials. For this video, we're using craft foam as the first layer, and for the second layer, we are using thermoplastic, which is called Warbler. And then we just load the material into our machine and let the Cricut do its job. don't worry about the lines, they all will be covered up by the warbler. The next step after your Cricut has done cutting out your particular shape for your mask is to tear away the excess. Now, after this step, if you wanted to just stop and paint the mask black, that's perfectly fine. But here on this page, we do stuff a little bit differently, and we like to go a step further. Next, we're going to be using a thermoplastic called Warbler to fill out the shape of the mask. We take 2 equal pieces that match up to the size of the mask, and we're now going to sandwich that craft foam in between those 2 pieces of Warbler. With the combination of heat, the warbler will start to become very soft where you can press into the negative spaces of the craft foam mask, giving it its now permanent plastic shape. To make the shape more precise, you can use any tool to your liking. Miss Luscious is using a back of a pair of tweezers. And now, just like before, we're going to cut away the excess. So with this process, because Warbler is easily cuttable, you can use a box knife and or scissors to cut away the excess pieces for your mask. Of course, once you cut off the excess, you are done. The mask is fully finished. But of course, you can't wear it just like that. You have to mold it to your face. So we take our heat gun and put it on low heat so the mask can be bendable enough where we can mold it to our actual face. And look at that, the mask looks fabulous. Now for the paint process. We take 180 grit sandpaper and rub it across the mask to eliminate any of the bumps and lumps the warbler may leave. And now you have a smooth mask where you can paint on. But we're not going to start with just paint. We're going to start with some Mod Podge. This creates a lovely layer for the paint to stick to. The Mod Podge has dried. We can now move on to the paint process. Miss Luscious is using the Krylon Color Master Paint and Primer in the color black. Now for extra added sparkle, she's using the Krylon Glitter Blaster paint in also black. Now once that dries, we can all now seal everything together with the Krylon Clear Sealer. Once all the paint is dry, we can now move on to the application of the elastic. Using our hot glue gun, we're going to create a small dab of glue on the inner side of the mask where the eye meets. Now taking one side of the elastics, you can press firmly into the glue. Now all that's left to do is repeat the process on the other side. Now for a little extra reinforcement, we're going to take the excess warbler pieces, cut off 2 small pieces, heat them up, and reinforce the elastic on the mask. This will ensure that the mask will not pop off while you're wearing it. Then you repeat the same process on the other side. Once those 2 warbler pieces are done and dry, then you are done.
And that is it, my wicked darlings. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed all of the lovely information that I was able to give you in this video. And I hope this was a game changer for some of you guys. If you guys did not know that you can use your Cricut cut machine for anything, especially if you have a Cricut Air Explorer, it's a game changer. I'm just saying, all right? So, and like I said, this is now the end of part 2, and there will be a part 3 where we save the best for last. I get to make my full body suit for Black Cat, and it's definitely been a long time coming, I promise you, and I hope you guys will enjoy the video. If you guys are liking what I'm doing on my channel and you like all my fun, fabulous, hilarious, random content, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys come back for the next video for this lovely part 3, because it's gonna be amazing, y'all. This is gonna be a real special video, okay? But I love you guys dearly, and I'll see y'all later. Mwah. Bye.